Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cannoli Italian style using an easy method. First, let's prepare the dough for our crispy cannoli shells. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Cut in 4 tablespoons of cold butter, then add 1 egg yolk. Gradually mix in about 1/4 cup of white wine or marsala until a firm dough forms. Knead for 5 minutes, then let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's shape and fry those delicious shells. Roll your rested dough very thin, about 1/16 of an inch thick, on a lightly floured surface. Use a 4-inch cookie cutter or a glass rim to cut out circles. Wrap each circle around a cannoli tube, sealing the overlapping edge with a little egg white to prevent it from opening. Fry them in oil heated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Next, we'll create the luscious ricotta filling. It's crucial to drain 2 cups of whole milk ricotta cheese thoroughly for at least 2 hours to remove excess moisture. Once drained, combine it with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an authentic touch, stir in 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips or finely diced candied fruit. Chill this delightful filling for at least 30 minutes to ensure it's firm and flavorful. Finally, it's time to assemble our Italian cannoli. Carefully remove the cooled, crispy shells from their tubes. Just before serving, pipe the chilled ricotta filling into each shell, filling from both ends to ensure it's evenly distributed. For a classic presentation, dip the ends of the filled cannoli in chopped pistachios or extra mini chocolate chips. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds the perfect finishing touch to these delightful treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.